Hey there, science fans! Have you ever heard of a number that's also a secret code, hiding in plain sight all around us? It's called the golden ratio, and it's a magical number that makes things look extra pleasing to the eye. It's about 1.618, but we often just call it phi. Imagine you have two sticks. One is longer and one is shorter. If you divide the longer stick by the shorter stick, and it equals 1.618, guess what? You found the golden ratio. It's like a secret recipe for making things look balanced and beautiful. The golden ratio is like a secret code that helps us understand how things in the natural world are arranged. From the smallest seashells to the vast spiral of our galaxy, the golden ratio is everywhere, making the world a more beautiful and fascinating place. Are you ready to discover the magic of the golden ratio? We can find the golden ratio in nature and even in our homes. Let's go. Let's take a walk outside and see the golden ratio in action. Look at that beautiful sunflower. Did you know that the seeds in a sunflower spiral out in a golden ratio pattern? This means each seed is about 1.618 times farther away from the center than the one before it. Now, let's head to the beach. Pick up a seashell and take a close look. See that spiral? That's another example of the golden ratio. The shell grows in a spiral shape, and each chamber is about 1.618 times bigger than the one before it. It's like the shell knows the secret code for growing in a beautiful and efficient way. From the tiniest insects to the largest animals, the golden ratio is everywhere in nature. It's like a secret code that helps living things grow in the most efficient and beautiful way possible. Keep your eyes peeled. You never know where you might spot the golden ratio next. For centuries, artists and architects have used the golden ratio to create stunning masterpieces. Take a look at the Great Pyramid of Giza in Egypt. The ancient Egyptians used the golden ratio when designing this incredible structure. The relationship between the height of the pyramid and the length of its base is close to the golden ratio, making it visually pleasing and balanced. Now imagine you're standing in front of Leonardo da Vinci's famous painting, the Mona Lisa. Da Vinci used the golden ratio to create a sense of harmony and balance in the painting. Notice how her face fits perfectly within a golden rectangle, a special rectangle where the ratio of the long side to the short side is the golden ratio. From ancient structures to Renaissance masterpieces, the golden ratio has played a crucial role in shaping the world of art and architecture. It's a testament to the power of mathematics to create beauty and harmony that has captivated people for centuries. Finding the golden ratio. Ready to become a golden ratio detective? It's easy. All you need is a ruler and a pencil. Let's start by drawing a rectangle. Draw a straight line. This will be the short side of your rectangle. Now, measure the length of that line with your ruler. Multiply that length by 1.618. That new number is how long the long side of your rectangle should be. Use your ruler to draw the long side, then connect the lines to make a rectangle. Congratulations! You've just drawn a golden rectangle. You can use this technique to find the golden ratio in other shapes too, like triangles and spirals. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be a golden ratio expert. The golden ratio in our homes. You might be surprised to learn that the golden ratio is hiding in plain sight all around your home. Many everyday objects are designed using the golden ratio, and you probably never even noticed. Grab a credit card from your wallet. The length and width of a credit card often approximate the golden ratio. It's also likely that your TV screen, your cell phone, and even your bookshelf are close to the golden ratio. Designers use this proportion because it's naturally pleasing to the eye, creating a sense of balance and harmony in everything from architecture to everyday products. The next time you're at home, take a closer look at the objects around you. You might be surprised by how many things are designed using the golden ratio. Go explore the golden ratio. The golden ratio is a fascinating mathematical concept that appears in unexpected places, from the arrangement of flower petals to the design of famous works of art. By understanding the golden ratio, we can develop a deeper appreciation for the beauty and order of the world around us. Now that you know the secrets of the golden ratio, it's time to put on your explorer's hat and discover it for yourself. Head outside with a ruler and a notebook and see how many examples of the golden ratio you can find in nature, art, and everyday objects. You'll be amazed by what you discover. Keep your eyes peeled and your mind open, and you'll see the magic of the golden ratio everywhere you look. Stay curious.